Welcome to sunny old London, everybody. First proper day of summer, it feels like. It's lovely. I'm out and about with the Leica. We're just going to do a normal street photography day. We're in King's Cross at the minute. I've done some warm-up shots already. Some of them I'm quite happy with. Others are just typical shots that you get around King's Cross. Everyone seems to get them, including myself. So we're walking around Coal Drops Yard and just general walking about day to day. Nothing in mind in terms of a theme. I'm just using the Leica, getting some great images, and you're going to be joining me. So join us on this lovely springtime day and we'll get some good photos, I'm sure of it. Right, so I knew about Coal Drops Yard having a market, didn't realise it was a Saturday market, so it was busier than I thought it was going to be, but actually really happy that it was. I've got some pictures so far that I really like. A few of them I want to see how they edit up, a few of them straight out of camera look absolutely amazing. It's ideal lighting conditions for this camera. I'm not trialling it out in extreme weather or at night time yet, so I'm gonna say that I love the camera, obviously, but I ain't putting it up to a challenge yet. I love the fact that I can switch crop modes just with a press of a button with the camera, and it's allowed me to get closer to the subject and fill my frame more, as you've seen with some of the images so far in this video. And yeah, I'm gonna continue walking around this area for a while, and then we're gonna head towards Battersea, because there's a place called Embassy Gardens that I wanna go and check out. And there's a real reason that I want to go check it out, and you'll see a bit later on. So join me and we'll continue walking around for some time, and then we'll go towards Battersea Park. Sam from the future here. What are you thinking of the photos so far? Some of these are really, really nice. This one in particular, though, I think tells a really good story of sort of the modern day stereotype of the younger people always on their phones, not really caring about the world around them, and how older people do it so much better. Well, this is flipping that stereotype completely on its head. You see the young couple at the bottom here, embracing each other, enjoying each other's company, and then right at the top you've got the elderly couple sitting there. The man's on his phone, the wife's looking for attention. I think it looks really cool, tells a really good story, and yeah, I just really like this image. Let me know what you think in the comments. So this is a very cliche location around King's Cross. This is actually leading into the underground section of King's Cross, right next to a Notes coffee shop. So if you're trying to find it, go to Notes and it's next door. It's this light tunnel here. The most cliche location I think I've been to around this area. Everyone comes here because it's quite nice, monochrome shots, stuff like that. I've got a few shots here, admittedly, everyone does it. Everyone likes to come here to get their eye in and to dial in their settings for the day and all sorts of stuff like that, and you always get your people. It's always got at least someone here. So yeah, thought I'd show you it. Nice location, couple of images here as well, nothing spectacular, but again, good to get the eye in with a new camera. So we made it, and the whole idea of coming to this location right behind the US Embassy is that up there. It's a swimming pool. There's a lot more people than I thought there would be in it, but again, it's the hottest day of the year we've had so far, so it's kind of to be expected. I want to try and make the swimming pool blend in with the sky, and silhouetting someone swimming up there to look like they're swimming in the clouds. I don't know how it's going to work, and I'm willing to give it a shot. And I don't know how long it's going to take, but I want to try. It might look completely weird, me going like that, when people are swimming above me, but that's not the reason I'm doing it. I have a vision in mind, and I will try my hardest to get it. So join me. And this is a really nice area as well, so we might get some other shots too. So I got the picture I wanted. It took a little bit, moving of the angles. I got a few looks. It's fine because, yeah, I got it. It looks really good, proud of it, happy with it. And we've just been walking around and seeing this drive-in theatre. They've got tons of like proper old classic cars at the front and then some deck chairs at the back. It's really quite nice. I might get a few shots around here, do a little loop, and then we'll head back into Central and have a wonderful little time in this afternoon sun. So, At risk of burning myself even more, we've walked all the way from Vauxhall back down to the Southbank by the London Eye and walked around that area for a little bit. It didn't prove too fruitful, so what I'm going to do is call this video here. We've been to a bunch of new places, taken a bunch of new pictures with this new camera, and I've got a new burn on my arms because I didn't wear sun cream, because I'm smart. But yeah, 90 megabyte images and 60 megapixels is going to prove a joy to edit. I can't wait to go home, sit and look through these. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of the photos that you've seen in this video down below in the comments. Subscribe and go and look at my Instagram because that's where they all get posted. So see you next week. Bye bye.